Hi Echelon family! Today I will show you how to navigate the Reflect app so you can get started on your workout. First, tap the screen to start. You can sign up, log in, or QuickStart as a guest. At the top right-hand corner, tap Filter to filter to a certain instructor, focus, music genre, duration, or difficulty. You can also use multiple filters at once. If you are logged in, you can also see your favorites tab and access your favorites at any time. These are all of the categories. Swipe to search and tap to select which one you want. At the top will tell you when the next live class is for that category. Below are all of the classes you can take at any time. Tap to select a class. You can scroll down to see the playlist of the songs, and you can add the playlist if you choose to connect your Spotify account. To connect, simply tap Spotify. It will then lead you to log into your Spotify account, where you can then add the playlist. Don't forget, you can favorite the class if you'd like to come back to it. You can connect your Bluetooth headphones before going into a class by tapping Bluetooth audio, double check that your phone has Bluetooth turned off or it will try to pair there, and simply tap your headphones on screen. You can repeat the same steps to pair your heart rate monitor. Tap heart rate monitor, make sure your heart rate monitor is in pairing mode, and tap it on screen to pair. Once paired for either device, you will see your device name and that it is connected. Then you can exit the screen. When you are ready to begin the class, simply tap Start Workout. If you would like to pair your Bluetooth headphones or heart rate monitor during a class, tap each icon on screen and select your device. You can easily adjust the volume on screen by tapping the sound icon and swiping up or down. At the bottom, you will see an arrow. Tap it to see your heart rate, your calories burned, which is based off your heart rate, and the time left in class. To exit the class, simply tap the X in the top left-hand corner and then select End Now. If you did not complete at least 80% of the workout, it will show up as a DNF to your progress, and you will not get credit for it. So if you do want credit for the class, make sure you complete at least 80% of the class. If you really like the class, you also have another chance to add it to your favorites once you leave the class. To go back to the categories, tap the arrow in the top left corner. Now, if you're just starting out, we recommend checking out the Welcome category of the Reflect. Here, you will see intro classes to all of the categories, which is a great place to start if you're a beginner. At the very bottom of the categories page, you will see 3 tabs: Categories, Live, and Search. On the Live tab, you will see a schedule for upcoming live classes. If you join a live class, that means this class is happening live at the moment for the very first time. If you see Encore, that means the class was previously live, but has not hit the on-demand section just yet. At the top, you can filter between the category or the day of the week to find a class that best suits your schedule. On the last tab is the Search feature. You can search for a specific name of a class, a certain instructor, and more. To exit the Reflect, tap on the arrow in the top left-hand corner. Now you're ready to work out.